Hello and welcome to Marinsky March 2023, where every day in March we make a sausage recipe out of one of Adam and Stanley Marinsky's books. Last year we did home production of quality meats and sausage, which I think is one of the best sausage books out there still. It gives you the how and why behind what you're doing in sausage making. But this year we're doing recipes out of the new book, 1001 Greatest Sausage Recipes, which is a gift to us sausage makers and meat enthusiasts. Adam and Stan have traveled across Europe and North America for the last 20 years compiling recipes, and they put it all into this jumbo book. What's even better is Stanley has sent me 5 copies to give away to you guys over the course of the month, and all you got to do to get qualified is leave a comment in the videos and I'll find you and I'll send you a copy if you're one of the lucky winners. So, without any further ado, let's get into 1001 Greatest Sausage Recipes by Adam and Stanley Marinsky. Hello and welcome back to another day in Marinsky March, where every day in March we make a recipe out of one of Stan Marinsky's books. This year we're doing 1001 Greatest Sausage Recipes, and from page 502 we're doing a sausage where there's more vegetables than meat. So does that even make it a sausage anymore? I don't know. But it is called the Botifarra de Ceba. Botifarra de Ceba, ceba means onion in Castilian and Valenciano. Also known as Morcilla de Cebolla, is a popular blood sausage in the municipality of Alcente, a region in País Valenciano in Spain. So, first things first, what we're going to do, I got the onions ready to go right off the bat because we need to put 650 grams of sausage in water for 1 hour. Now, you weren't supposed to cut them in half, but I did because I want to speed it up. I'm going to do a little less than an hour. See you in 45 minutes. Okay, so it's a little bit of a hurry up and wait type sausage. So I've had the onions cooking for an hour. They're in the cooler, cooling down. Got some fat in the freezer, firming up. Weigh out a little bit of blood sausage, or a little bit of blood for the blood sausage. All right, boom, there we go. Okay, we're done waiting. Here's our pan of onions into the grinder. It's all gonna go through a 1/4 inch plate. See you later. Our little bit of trimmings and fat. Gonna grind it up with the onions. Here we go. I've never had a sausage where there's more onions than meat, but there's a first for everything. I feel like you could just mush these up. It's not like they're keeping their 1/4 inch texture, and it's not going through the grinder very good. If you're following along at home, just mush them up. Go in there and get out your onions. Okay. Onions and fat ground. Add blood. Not very much blood. This is a barely bloody blood sausage. Botifarra de Ceba spices. I've never had a blood sausage with oregano in it though, so that's going to be kind of interesting. Okay, you're going to get no protein extraction out of this. It's just going to be a mushy mess. You might need a friend to help you stuff this. I don't know. It kind of smells like, I don't know what the heck it smells like. Kind of smells like pumpkins for some reason. Like when you're gutting a pumpkin to carve a jack-o'-lantern. This one's a little tricky to stuff. You might need a hand. I'm gonna get nice and close and low. Kind of just spoon it in there. This one's a mess. Went down, 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 till we made contact. I'm gonna tie a knot off in this one for sure, because it's gonna be a runner. Okay. It's quite goopy. No resistance in this one. Okay. The front, oh, there we go, saved it. Okay, gotta be careful. I feel like this one's ready to blow up. The onion blood sausage. I had a little left over in the horn, that little dark spot from another batch of blood sausage I did earlier. I'm gonna tie these one more time because I'm nervous that it's gonna blow. I got it pretty tight for how soupy it is. There we go. I'm nervous. I gotta get these cooked. Gotta get them firmed up. Check it out. They're supposed to be 175, which is 8 degrees Celsius. We're a little on the hot side, 188. Look how quick that thermopan reads, which is okay. You don't want it boiling, otherwise you could pop and burst them, but I'll just turn it down a little bit. It's gonna lose a little heat. All right, they're gonna lose a little heat as you drop them in, so that's fine if it's a little bit over. In goes the Botifarra de Ceba. Au revoir. 2 different languages. Whew. The book gives us times to cook all of these, but I'm gonna go by temperature. I'm gonna probe one of the Morosilla Galagas in about 35 minutes is what I'm gonna actually 45 minutes. I'm gonna leave them in there for 45 minutes and probe one, and if it's at 160, I'm happy. All right, we've been boiling for our set amount of time. Uh-oh, we have a blow up. Well, got it a little too warm during the cooking, that means. They're definitely done if we had a blow up. Okay, carefully removing the blood sausages so they don't break. Red Roy real quick and probe that one that busted. I'm sure we're good. Oh yeah, it's like 185. Got a little too hot. I took the lid off because it was getting too warm, but it obviously got a little too warm for that long. So you have to pay close attention when you're doing blood sausages. Okay, the Botifarra de Ceba is up. I've been tasting blood sausages all morning, so it's got the benefit or the curse, depending on how you look at it, of being the last blood sausage to taste this morning. It's really mushy because it's mostly onions. So I don't know if you're supposed to spread it on bread or something like that. Maybe I should get a piece of toast. Piece of toast. Toast. Check. Let's see how this goes. I have low expectations for this sausage. Just gonna mush it mush it out of there. There we go. Okay, the Botifarra de Ceba on toast. To be fair, I just reread the recipe. It said it should be reheated or fried, but we'll see how it goes. Lots of oregano right off the bat. Well, I underestimated it. That's delicious. Holy shit. That's a freaking good blood sausage. Holy. The gelato was my favorite until this one. This spread on toast is super awesome. Just cold. Well, I apologize. Blood sausage, that's really good. Wow. Lots of onions in there, but that makes it like spreadable, creamy, smooth. That's a frickin' delicious. I'm gonna eat this whole piece of toast. Thanks for watching the Botifarra de Ceba. I hope you guys liked it. If you're gonna make a blood sausage, this is a really good one to make. It's a spreadable kind of thing. Mine turned out spreadable anyways. Thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe and enjoy some more Marinsky March every day in March.